Hi, welcome. I'm Robin. Welcome to yoga. We're going to get our heart rate up and find some focus on our mat. So let's get started. You don't need anything unless you like to use blocks. Come to the top of your mat with either your big toes touching or your feet hip distance apart for some more balance. Root your feet down. Pull your belly in and soften your shoulders. Just take a moment here to find your breath. To breathe consciously in and out through your nose, to make it the focal point of your practice. And then on your next inhale, reach your arms up, maybe look up. Exhale, hinge at your hip and fold. Inhale, half lift, lengthen your spine. On your exhale, step back to plank. You can come to your knees here, or you can stay in high plank, pressing the floor away, spreading your shoulder blades, pulling in your low belly, long neck. Wrapping your triceps back towards your feet, spreading your collarbones. We're going to lower all the way to our belly, nice and slow. You can come to your knees first if you can't do this in one piece. Untuck your toes, tops of your feet are on the mat. Inhale, peel your chest up for a little cobra, spread your collarbones. Exhale, lower. Again, inhale, lift, maybe a little bit higher. Exhale, lower. One more, maybe sliding your hands back towards your low ribs to pull your heart forward for up dog with your kneecaps off the mat, your thigh bones off. Breathing here, pulling in that belly, protecting your back, no pain. And then exhale, down dog. Listening to your body. You pedal out through your heels and shake your head. And pressing that floor away. Your biceps frame your ears. And feeling that long spine. Take one more breath here. And then look forward to your hands. You could step forward or you can hop forward and take a half lift and fold. Inhale, rise all the way up. Reach your arms up. Exhale, fold in half again. Inhale, half lift, lengthen. You can hop back to chaturanga or you can step back. Lower to low push-up with your knees up or down or back to your belly. Just options. Inhale for cobra or up dog. Exhale, down dog. Feeling your back body start to open. Those mindful breaths, helping to keep your mind right here in this present moment. One more breath. And then look forward to your hands. Step or hop forward. Take a half lift and fold. Inhale, rise all the way up. One more time. Exhale, fold in half. Inhale, half lift, lengthen, at least for these sun salutations. Exhale, step or hop back. Chaturanga, your belly, your option, your body. Cobra or up dog, or go back to down dog, or take a child's pose. You're going to walk your hands back towards your feet, so you're going to the back of your mat. Feeling the stretch in your hamstrings. You can bend your knees. You can sway from side to side in your forward fold. You can grab opposite elbows. If you're grabbing opposite elbows, maybe switch which forearm is on top. Letting this feel good for your spine. Relaxing through your head. And then release your hands and come on up. You can roll up if that feels good for your back, or come up in one piece. Reach your arms up over your head. Lower your right hand down to your hip or to your side. Take a side bend. Come back to center, side bend the other way. And come back to center, reach your arms out and down. Step into the middle of your mat so you have space in front of you and behind you. My feet are hip distance apart from each other, feeling the support of the earth beneath, spreading my feet so that my toes are not scrunched up. I have a nice base of support. Pull your belly in, lift your right knee up, maybe your hands up too. Standing strong through that left leg without locking the knee. Just sweep your arms back behind you as you stretch your leg back, airplane. Maybe flex your back ankle so that your toes point down, squaring your hips. And then start to lift your knee back up, reaching your arms back up. One-legged mountain or Samasthiti. We're going to do that 2 more times. Stretch back, exhale, airplane. Inhale, reach up. 1 more, exhale, reach back, airplane. Inhale, one-legged mountain. And you're going to step forward into a crescent lunge. So first lift up on the ball of your left foot. Notice your wobbles and step that front foot forward. So you can step the back foot back, the front foot forward. Your hands could be on your hips, your torso faces forward. You put a bend in your back knee, lengthen your tailbone, and then maybe straighten the leg. Reach your right arm back behind you, your left arm forward. Take a twist. Trying to keep your hips facing still the short end of your mat. And then sweep your arms back up, high lunge. Open up, warrior 2. Adjust your feet so that you have heel to arch alignment. Soften through your shoulders. Open up through that right hip. Flip your front palm, reverse your warrior. Feel that side bend again. And then take your hands down to frame your foot. Lower your left knee to the mat, your left hand. Stretch your right leg back so that you're in a side plank variation. And then lift that right leg up if that works for your body. Maybe bending the knee to hold on to the foot and get that quadricep stretch. So you feel a little bit of a back bend. And then release the foot if you have it. Come back to plank. Go through a vinyasa of your choice. And we'll do the other side. So walk your hands back towards your feet. Inhale, come up. Reach up. And step to the middle of your mat. Weight now comes into the right leg. Lift your left knee up. Maybe your left arms too. You could stay here. Or sweep your arms back, airplane. You can always tap the toe down. Inhale, back up, mountain. Exhale, reach back, heart forward. Flexing that ankle. Inhale, reach up, knee to chest. Exhale, airplane. And then inhale, reach up, one-legged mountain. Maybe come up on the ball of that right foot and step that left foot forward, and then maybe your right foot back. So you're in a high lunge, squaring your torso, lengthening your tailbone, reaching your left arm back and your right arm forward, twist. Then inhale, arms back up. Exhale, warrior two. Soften your shoulders, open up through that front hip. That thigh bone tracks towards the pinky side edge of that front foot. Flip that front palm, side bend, reverse. Maybe look up. Hands down to the mat. Lower that right knee down. Sweep that left leg back. Strong through that right shoulder. Maybe lift that left arm up. You could be on your forearm as well. And then maybe lift that left leg and catch the foot or keep it up. Shoulders back, pelvis forward. Feeling that stretch in your hip. And then release carefully if you have the foot. Back to plank. Go through a flow or go to down dog. Notice how you feel. Big breath in. And big breath out. And then come to your knees and come to a seat. Stretch your legs out in front. Reach your arms up. Exhale, hinge forward any amount. Maybe holding the feet, the legs, your mat. Feeling that long spine. Inhale, come back up. Sit crisscross, or you can keep your legs out if that feels better. Inhale, reach your arms up. Lower your right arm down, side bend, maybe lowering that elbow. Inhale back to center, side bend. Inhale back to center. Hands on your thigh bones, with your palms up or your palms down. Soften your gaze or close your eyes. Just notice the energy in your body. Feel your sitting bones root down. Feel your heart lift up. Notice your breath. It doesn't take long to be on your mat to notice a change in your body. You could stay here as long as you would like. You could lie down and take a Shavasana. I will leave you here. Thank you so much for being with me today. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. Let me know in the comments how you enjoyed this short practice, what other things you would like to learn and do, and how you are doing during this pandemic. All right, I hope to see you next time.